Hello guys, today I will show you how to make Google Forms in our devices or any devices. Let's start it. Open your any browser, then type Google. When you open Google, you will see dots or Google apps in there. Then downside you will see that forms. You will open it. Then you will need to sign in with your account. Sorry, I will take another account. Then I will type password. Okay, I will make a test series or multiple choice question type questions. You will see that blank option is there. You will open it. You will see that untitled form is there. You can change your form title. Simply I will type Amaya. Form description, computer test. If you need to make multiple choice question type questions, you will see that there is a text that you will need to some complete questions. I type what is a full form of HTML. I may take one option is hypertext markup language, or add another hypertext markup language. And lastly, I will type none of the above. Then I preview that what will see my form. There is what is the full form of HTML. I type any multiple choice question, click that any. But I not need this others option. I will delete it simply. Then preview that change, reload. The other option has gone successfully. We will make a Google form or our how to make HTML or how to make multiple choice questions in Google Forms. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Successfully I